What's up guys, I am Kevin Cube50 and in this list I will be telling 4 things which you can use as a replacement for your CubeMate if you don't have one or you cannot afford one. So let's just begin, but before that make sure to like the video and smash that subscribe button. We make fantastic content every single week, once in a week. Yeah, that's it. So without wasting any time further, let's start the list. Coming at number 4 is a very old question. The reason it is in this list because it's a cushion and that's all you need. The reason it is that low in the list is because it's a cushion and it's very uncomfortable to take your cube like this. Like it is just not comfortable enough. Also you cannot take a cushion with you always. So that's why it is at the lower end of the scale. At number 3 is a paper notebook and it's not recycled paper. So yeah, it's just good enough for you to use as a mat and you can just always have a notebook with you, nearby you, whatever. But reason is that low in the list is because you should not use notebook or anything which you can use to studies for cubing, because studies are more important than cubing. So take that as note. You, yes, use notebooks for study, not for cubing. That's why it is at lower end. At number 3, you can say somewhat out middle, but yeah. Coming at number 2 is newspaper. The reason it is because same the reason of a notebook, but it is a very old newspaper and you might be just throwing it. So yeah, recycle, because why not? And eco-friendly mat, and you can just have a bundle of paper or bundle of sheets or whatever to do the stuff. So I mean it's good enough for you, but the reason it is at number 2 is the same because of the notebook, but since that is a notebook which you should use for your studies instead of playing, this is here. Also you are recycling, that means you are contributing towards a healthy nature, healthy ecosystem, whatever, or you can just put it in a recycle bin. So yeah, either put it in a recycle bin or use it. It's a newspaper, it's your responsibility. Coming at number 1 is an old piece of woolen cloth. So I'm using the sweater which I used to wear when I was of 3, but since I don't use it any longer to, I'm of 11. What do you expect from me? So reason is so up in the list is because same is like the cushion where it is super spongy. You can just fold it and take it with you wherever you want, and again recycle, healthy nature, healthy ecosystem, whatever. Just basic concept of using and the regular stuff. You know what I mean. Okay, that was not good. Yeah, so it prevents your cube to get damaged, which a mat should do. Also it is very thin. Also you can easily take it with you, even though I will recommend you to sew whole part and then just use another color and have a logo of whatever brand you want by literally sewing it, or do whatever. You can use your old clothes, just remove the sleeves and start doing practice with them. By that way you will also contributing toward a healthy nature, healthy ecosystem. Recycle, reuse, and it's good enough, so it should work. And believe me, I'm using it and this thing is actually doing pretty good. So yeah, this was the list of 4 things which you can use as a replacement for cube mat. I hope you like it. Next time I will be explaining how to set up your 3x3 and how to clean it and how to lubricate it, probably. So that was my list of 4 things which you can use as a cube mat replacement if you don't have one or cannot simply afford one. The reason I made this list is because without using the cube mat, your cubes can get really damaged. I broke my little magic 3x3 because I was using my table instead, and was not having even a single cube mat at a time, and I was just continuously using it and it just gave up. So that might explain that why cube mats are necessary. So yeah, hello JPOM. So that was the list of 4 things which I can use as a substitute for a cube mat. And believe me, for some reason fabrics, especially woolen fabrics, are actually pretty good at this thing. So yeah, thanks for joining. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, and give me a like in this video, please. I need your help, believe me.